Unveiling the shades of English. The meaning of dimly lit. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to illuminate your English learning journey by exploring the phrase, dimly lit. Understanding such phrases enriches your vocabulary and enhances your descriptive abilities. So, let's shed some light on this commonly used English expression. At first glance, dimly lit seems straightforward, but there's more to it than meets the eye. Dimly is an adverb, a word that describes how something is done, and in this case, it's modifying the adjective lit. Lit is the past participle of the verb to light, so when put together, dimly lit describes a place or space that has low light or is lightly illuminated. Dimly lit is often used in creative writing and storytelling, setting a scene that is mysterious, cozy, or even romantic. You can also find it in everyday language, such as in restaurant reviews or real estate descriptions. For example, the restaurant had a dimly lit dining area, creating an intimate atmosphere. He entered a dimly lit room, where the only light came from a single candle. The beauty of the phrase, dimly lit, is not just in its description of light but also in the emotions and images it evokes. It can suggest a range of atmospheres, from the secretive corners of an antique shop to the subdued elegance of a high-end bar. The connotation can be positive, negative, or neutral, depending entirely on the context it's used in. Let's illuminate the usage with some examples. The hallway was dimly lit with flickering bulbs, giving it an eerie feeling. They enjoyed a dimly lit evening on the porch, under the stars. Expanding your vocabulary is always beneficial. Here are some synonyms for dimly lit: faintly illuminated, softly lit, low lit, gently lit. These synonyms can be used interchangeably depending on the context and the nuance you want to convey. And there we have it, a brighter understanding of the phrase, dimly lit. I hope this video has enlightened your English vocabulary and you're now more confident in using this descriptive phrase. Keep practicing, and soon, you'll be painting pictures with words with the best of them. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.